What's up, y'all? Today I am checking out the Dracast LED160 3200-5600 Kelvin variable color. It's an onboard camera light, and I picked this up at B&H for their deal zone. Pretty much doing this video because I don't tend to see a lot of other videos where I can get a feel for what the product is about, you know. So, you know, hopefully who's ever planning on purchasing this can help you as far as make some of that distinction of some of the information I can share with you today. I've already unboxed it, unfortunately. So, but how it came in the box, it's pretty much with this nifty little case like this. It's pretty cool. So Dracast really takes care of their clients with like cool little cases like this. You know, off the case, it looks like a really well built unit. Looks pretty sturdy, you know. Backside is definitely plastic, but you know, take care of it. Should pretty much hold up. And then you know, there's a knob for a dimmer. There's a knob for color temperature, 3200 to 5600, and I believe that in the middle part of it will probably be source of power when you want to check your battery strength. In the bag comes with the power source. It comes with an adapter to put in your hot shoe for your camera, so you can actually tilt it in several ways if you need to mount it on top of your camera so you can angle your light. And you know, it's relatively, you know, sufficient enough for what it is. So hopefully, I haven't actually physically used it yet. So, you know, from the weight of it, I think it'll hold up, and it won't slide off from the ball head. So, but I think it'll do the job for what it is, and for the price, I mean, you can't beat that for the deal zone, and with the power source. And it's got the strap here, and as well as, I believe, if you want to run this off a bigger brick, a bigger battery, so this would be a source for that. So if you want to run it off some kind of like an Anton Bauer or something like that, plug it in here and run off the source of a bigger battery. So it's a pretty cool unit, I would say. The build is really something that I quite like about this unit for the price value. Going beyond that, you know, if you're going to use this and you need something to run and gun, I purchased batteries that can go on board with this, and it runs off the NP55 So this is the brand that I purchased through Amazon. It's called Rav Power. It's a nifty little packaging, and then out of the box you get this cool charger and two batteries with it. And I've tested it already as far as the battery strength on it. On a full power, plugging the battery into the unit of the Dracast 160, I left it for about 2 hours on full strength, and it really did well. I mean, I timed it, and it's a good, very good power for one brick. So if you're going out there and doing a lot of running guns, this is a pretty good battery that comes with, no, it doesn't come with, but actually you can purchase on the side that you can have additional you know, power for your LED light. So, you know, so very cool light to use for different applications. Definitely, you know, as a photographer, professional photographer and cinematographer, you know, I tend to play with different various lights, and having this small unit and small footprint, it's really neat that you know, you have another tool in your tool bag. And so with that, gives you more added versatility in your presentation, how you want to excuse me for a second, let me plug this in so I can show you. Plugging in the battery is not the most easiest, but we'll figure it out eventually. Alright, I think it's snapped in there. Alright, that's where we stand right now with the battery itself. I'm really not too sure as far as the foot candle on this. I haven't looked at the specs completely on it, but for the throw, it's pretty decent enough. I'm standing from this point roughly about 7-8 feet. I'm still getting a nice glow back there. So, you know, for an onboard camera, it's really decent for what it is, for the price value. You can't beat that, you know. And for other applications, and you can use this for little fillers and little nifty backlighting in certain areas, whatnot. So, you know, as long as you keep it protected, especially in moist conditions or rainy conditions, you know, just cover it up. I think you got a good solid mini light here that you can always bring with you. So, you know, I would say it's a great purchase on my end, and quite happy with it for the price value. So, and looking forward to using it on the field. And I'll review on the next one. See you on the next one. Oh, make sure you check out some of my image works. You can check me out at Instagram, Russo Mutuc, or my production work. Usually you shoot commercials, music videos, or whatnot. You can check it out at Focal Finder. So, yep. And you can pretty much see a lot of my work there. All right. Thanks for watching.